First Nations. Andrew is a research seismologist with the Geological Survey of Canada. He is based at the Pacific Geoscience Center in Sydney, BC.
Okay, to wrap up some key messages and preparedness. So to summarize, December 6th earthquake was the largest we've had in Canada within Canada for some time. It confirmed the connector fault, this long hypothesized structure. There was over 200 landslides in the St. Elias Mountains. Could have been more if it wasn't as cold, if it wasn't during winter time, for instance, or if there was less permafrost. We study these sorts of events using a variety of tools, both seismic networks, GPS instrumentation, satellite imagery, and all of these networks in Canada are maintained quite collaboratively. It's both federal, territorial, and academic partners that maintain a lot of these networks that we use, and the data from these are all freely available. Local ground conditions matter, and these sorts of site amplification studies need to continue in most of Canada. It's only some of the major cities that actually have very detailed, what we call microzonation studies, where they look at this site amplification in great detail throughout a city. We need to continue to do better about getting this done in many communities across Canada. And finally, that permafrost, it currently might be reducing shaking hazards, but as it continues to melt, this is something that we're going to have to deal with very carefully and properly with northern communities, especially areas of rapid permafrost loss. Sorry. So what can we do? Be aware, the Yukon is earthquake country. Large earthquakes have happened and they will continue to happen. Be prepared. It's a good idea to have a plan, an earthquake kit, and practice your drop cover hold on, with the most important part of that being the hold on. We see in a lot of drills, the drop cover is great, but when you don't have the shaking, moving your table or chair away from you, you can forget about the hold on part of it. In a big earthquake, your cover that you're under may try to walk away. And, you know, a little plug for the scientists. The Did You Feel It reports are very helpful for us in continuing to build this picture of local amplification. While not as clear as an actual deployment for site amplification, looking at these reports coming in over communities allows us to get a better idea of what the shaking levels are and overall site amplification might be for one community versus another, which still does contribute to improving our seismic hazard and our resilience towards these sorts of